Problem number 1, fill in the blank so the resulting statement is true. The method of finding the maximum or minimum value of a quantity that is subject to various limitations is called linear programming. That's the title of this section. It's a nice question. Let's look at number 2. An algebraic expression in 2 or more variables describing a quantity that must be maximized or minimized is called an objective function. That is also what I might call the profit function. Okay, problem number 3. A system of linear inequalities is used to represent restrictions or constraints, limitations. Used to represent constraints on a function that must be maximized or minimized. Using a graph of such a system of inequalities, the maximum and minimum values of the function occur at one or more of the corner points. That's actually one of the theorems for this section. This is called the corner point principle. We're going to graph the region we're looking for. From there, identify the corner points, plug those corner points into the objective function, and see which one gives us the maximum or the minimum, whatever they're looking for. I'm going to write that on the side right here. That's the whole thing that you're going to be looking for in this section. So we will graph the region given by the inequalities that we came up with we also have to come up with the objective function. And what I'm writing here pertains to a problem like number 12 and 13. So we have to come up with the objective function. At that point, we identify the corner points of the graphed region. That's the region I'm talking about up at the top. We plug the corner points into the objective function. We plug the corner points into the objective function. work that out, and then see which one has the maximum or minimum value of the objective function. We identify which corner point and then maybe there's two, but everything we're going to do there will be one corner point. Which corner points give the maximum or minimum value of the objective function?